This is the center console of the 2015 to 2018 Benz V-Class W447 with the NTG 5.0 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Remove the cover plate behind the OEM screen. Remove the screws securing the OEM screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug all cables. Remove central control panel. Remove the screws securing the OEM head unit. Remove the OEM head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical fiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Install the new bracket onto the new screen. Please detach the bracket from the OEM screen. Install the OEM bracket first, then install our new screen and new bracket.